As Canadians, we could all use some Zuba to warm us up. But what exactly is a Zuba? Well, it isn't a fitness dance craze or a hot new streaming service. Zuba's an amazing, efficient way to stay comfortable in your home year-round. With our powerful line of electric heating and cooling systems, engineered specifically for Canada, and our highly efficient and patented cold climate heat pump, featuring hyperheat technology, Zuba keeps you exceptionally warm in minus 30 degrees Celsius and beyond, delivering year-round comfort and reliability. Zuba delivers amazing benefits, like an extended 10-year warranty, and our best 12-year extended warranty available on our Zuba Single Plus model. Up to 50% in energy savings, whisper quiet operation, superior indoor air quality, and a variety of stylish indoor units to accommodate any space. The Zuba family consists of 4 heat pump options. Zuba-Central is a cold climate heat pump for homes with a centrally ducted system that delivers better performance and more efficiency than traditional oil and propane systems. Zuba Single offers individual comfort and control for rooms that run too hot or too cold, like basements, bedrooms over a garage, office spaces that never seem to reach the right temperature, or solariums and enclosed patios. It's perfectly suited for rooms in older homes with no ductwork. Similar to our single system, only more advanced, Zuba Single Plus features Hyperheat Plus technology. Designed exclusively for cold climates, it can deliver 100% heating performance in temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius. And it's backed by our best 12-year extended warranty to date. Zuba Multi is ideal for homes without existing central ductwork and utilizes a single outdoor condensing unit to connect up to 8 individual indoor air handling units. When in heating or cooling mode, it can provide individual comfort settings to multiple rooms throughout your home. So what can Zuba mean to you? Year-round comfort, savings, and the reliability you deserve from an electric heating and cooling brand with over 100 years of trusted experience. Add some Zuba to your life with Mitsubishi Electric Heating and Cooling.